Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel today. We are going to make new jewelry collection design, so let's begin. First, go on Elements and search necklace and choose you suitable photos. Okay, I will choose these two. Choose background color from the image. Okay, I will choose this color. Press R for rectangle and change the color. Adjust your transparency according to your design. Edit your image and give them a border. I have already uploaded the shorts on how to edit image and give them border watch them. Now press T for text and write new collection and then try now. Okay, now write. Try now. Now it's fonts time. Copy paste it and write your name or anything you want. I write at fantastic fonts. Now give font. Adjust them all and put them in their places. Now let's give font on Try Now. Adjust them once again. Press L for line and give color to the line and then adjust it. Adjust it until you're satisfied with your design. There we go. Our design is ready. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more videos. And also follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.